Kids Love Playtime!
Hey!
Hi kids! Today we're gonna learn counting from 1 to 10. We're gonna watch them slide down the slide as we learn their names and our counting. Let's get started! Alright, Mr. Shark, thanks for the introduction. Let's get started. Who's first? It looks like we have a green seahorse. He's number 1. Alright, there he goes. He's gonna go down the slide. And there he goes. Nice job, Mr. Seahorse. He's number 1. He's green. Next up, we have a black whale. He's number 2. He says hello. He's a whale. Does he make noises? Nope, no noises. Let's watch him ride down the slide. There he goes. Alright, kids, there he goes. Oh, there's a whale. Oh, he rode good, didn't he? He's number 2. That's our whale. There he goes, guys. Okay, who's number 3? Oh, looks like we have a pink flamingo. He's number 3, our flamingo. He says hello. I bet he'll go down the slide really good. Alright, here goes our flamingo. Alright, you're up, Mr. Flamingo. There he goes. Wow, he was super fast. Okay, who's next? It looks like we have an orange sea lion. He says hello. He's number 4, our orange sea lion. Number 4. I bet he's a good slider. Let's watch him go. There he goes. Oh, he stopped in the middle too. There he goes all the way down. Alright, he's number 4. Alright guys, who's next? Looks like we have a blue dolphin. He's number 5. Oh, he just went right on by. He came back. He wants to see you guys. He says hello. Alright, he's a blue dolphin. You want to slide, Mr. Dolphin? Are you going to have a good time? Alright, go get on the slide. There he goes, guys. He's number 5. Oh, yeah, he made it all the way down. He's pretty good. You did a good job, Mr. Dolphin. There he is, our blue dolphin, guys. He's number 5. Okay, who's up next? Oh, it looks like we have a Hammerhead Shark. He's number 6. And he is a blue hammerhead. He's number 6. He's a good swimmer, guys. He's gonna go on the slide. There he goes. Alright, Mr. Hammerhead, are you ready? There he goes. Oh, he only went halfway. There you go, Mr. Hammerhead. Nice job on the slide. He's number 6, guys. Our blue hammerhead. Number 6. There he goes. Alright, who's number 7? How about a rubber duck? Here he comes. He is a rubber duck. And he's yellow and he's number 7. Oh, he's upside down. There he goes. He's going to be number 7. Alright, Mr. Duck. Lucky number 7. There you go. Oh, he only went halfway. There he goes. Alright, guys. Our duck is number 7. He's yellow. There he goes. Okay, who's next? How about our white sea lion? Here he comes. Are you ready? He's number 8, guys. He's white. He's a sea lion. There he goes. He's getting ready. He's gonna go on in. There you go. He's number 8. There he goes. Oh, he's only halfway too. There he goes down. Nice sliding, buddy. He's number 8. Okay, it was number 9. Looks like we have a green sea turtle. Our sea turtle's number 9. He's green. There he goes. Are you ready to slide down the slide, Mr. Sea Turtle? Alright, you know what number you are? You're number 9. Alright, let's go, buddy. There he goes. Alright, he's gonna ride down the slide. Oops, he's trying to go early. Here we go. Oh, he made it all the way down. Nice job, Mr. Sea Turtle. He's number 9. He's a sea turtle, guys. There he goes. Alright. Who's last? Looks like we have a brown seal's last. He says hello. Are you excited, Mr. Seal? Yep, you're number 10. You gonna go down the slide for us? Let's give it a slide. Alright, here we go. Are you ready, Mr. Seal? There he goes. Oh, all the way down. He's number 10. We got some crazy music coming out of our slide, guys. That's it, guys. If you're at home, practice your counting from 1 to 10 so you can get real good, okay? It's important to know all of your numbers. If you haven't subscribed, please do. We would sure appreciate it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.